We got this new channel coming out, Driving with 60BaeGrey. No cap. Driving with 60BaeGrey. No cap. 60BaeGrey, the real drip. Back with another video, guys. Trying to bring you the content that makes sense. But inside the car, we're not in the garage. It was sweaty in there. Like I said, I'm doing my own filming. 60BaeGrey, the real drip, no cap. Doing my own filming, doing my own editing. Man, this is literally like a job. There's so much you have to know, but I'm not complaining. I'm just saying that I just didn't realize how much it is to it. But anyway, my hat goes out to the content creators. Anyway, what we're gonna talk about today? Let's see here. Why did there's several people, some of my friends that have subscribed to my channel, they have sent me text, and one person asked me, why did I decide to get a convertible? All right, not just any convertible, but the hardtop convertible. Okay, now in my previous videos, I tell you that I don't like convertibles. I really don't. Well, I didn't like convertibles. Man, I sweat easy. It gets humid. It gets hot, and I just start sweating everywhere. I mean, literally everywhere. You know what I mean? You feel me? Anyway, and things go south for me real quick when I start sweating everywhere. Okay? So, I was watching a YouTube video, and the YouTube video that I saw was a Ferrari Spider 812, and it was like smoke gray with like yellow stitching and yellow calipers. And I'm like, and then in my previous video, I dropped the top down for you, but I was in the garage. But when they dropped the top on the Ferrari, it went, and they were in an open space, and you could see the fullness of the retraction. And I'm like, man, I fell in love with just that vibe. No cap. It was love at first sight. And but Ferrari was out of my reach. So there's a bunch of cars that I didn't like, that were hardtop convertibles, that if I had an option to get, I just wouldn't get. Or I didn't like it, or it was out of my reach financially. One was, there's a Mazda. I'm not getting a Mazda convertible. Those people that get them, you like them, hey, great. And I'm speaking hardtop, not soft top. There's a Volvo. Okay, there's a Volvo has a hardtop. Yeah, again, I had a Volvo before. It's just like, to me, a Volvo can be a daily driver. It's a vibe, though. I know people that have Volvo convertible hardtops. And if you're watching this, hey, you know, I know you're vibing right now, don't cap. I got my t-shirt on, 60BaeGrey, the real drip. Look, comment, like, subscribe, and share. All right? Turn on your post notifications. Post notifications white, that ain't right. Post notifications black, supposed to be like that, no cap. All right. There was the Mazda and the Volvo. And then after that, there was Porsche. Porsche, there are different types of Porsches. The Porsches was like, what? You know, at the time, I wanted to get the coupe Corvette, and I would compare it to a Porsche. But if you put a Corvette and a Porsche together, side by side, the Corvette stands out. It's like super sexy. And now Porsche is a Porsche. I mean, you know, the quality of the whole nine. I mean, it's fine wine, you know, it's caviar, you know, it's like butlers and waitresses, you know, with the white scarves across their arm. I mean, hey, it's a vibe. But Ferrari, I mean, but Corvette, that's just extremely sexy. So, I was going to settle for a coupe, and because at the time Corvette had soft tops, and I just don't like the soft tops. All right, To make it even worse, I just didn't like convertibles at all. So then when I was looking at my options from Porsches to Lamborghinis to McLarens, all those were out of my reach. And then on the lower end, even Lexus had one that was kind of old and outdated. I think it was a 430C, if I'm not mistaken. Then they most recently came out with another hardtop convertible, but it was a Lexus. Okay, I just wanted something American muscle. So in 2020, when Corvette came out with the hardtop, man, I was all on it, man. But I was on it, and yes and no, I was on it. There was some things going on in my life personally that just had me tied to the house. I was kind of depressed. Not kind of depressed. I was depressed. I was stressed. And I would just be home watching YouTube videos, just contemplating life. And, at the end of the day, my son was murdered, and I was just trying to figure out life. And I found entertainment by myself with YouTube. Okay. And then the Corvette came out, and I'm like, woo, that's a beautiful car. So that is the reason why I chose the hardtop convertible. It's just a sexy look, and it's a sexy vibe. And if you know anything about 60BaeGrey, I'm trying to be sexy. You know what I'm saying? My hair ain't all like that, I'm 60, I'm a bae, and I got gray. So 60BaeGrey, I'm leaning into it, right? And I'm just trying to catch a vibe, and an expensive vibe, by the way. Expensive vibe. So that was the main reason why I chose the hardtop convertible. It was just the look from the Ferrari that sent me over the edge, and then the look of the Corvette, which is a supercar for affordable pricing, and it fell in under my price range, and I ended up getting the vehicle. So hey guys, comment, like, subscribe, and if you definitely like what I got going on here, please share my videos. I'm not this dry snitching, dry begging, or but why y'all not subscribing? Come on, man. What's up? Y'all know me. Come on now. And even if you just met me, you know me, right? I'm out here in the garage sweating. Give me some love. It don't cost you anything to press the subscribe button. It doesn't cost you anything to make a comment. Some of my friends, you're not commenting. Why does on my videos only got one comment? Really? But I get it. Y'all got better things to do than fool around with 60BaeGrey. But look, we got with 60BaeGrey. We gonna keep it positive. I'm just joking, but for real though, subscribe. Y'all don't care about my money.
60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fun. You know 60BaeGrey got that real drip, no cap, no cap, no cap. Step back, step back, step. Dropping this heat, no cap, no cap, no cap. All you guys, all cap, all cap. I'm ripping this mic like splash, like that, like that. Fall back, I'm still on the mic, spitting facts like that, like that. Fall back, I'm still on the mic, spitting facts like that, like that. Step back, dropping this heat, no cap, no cap. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere here. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. You tell them 60.
Welcome to our music family.
60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fun. 60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood, ripping this mic, what? No fun. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere here. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere here. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. You tell them 60. Told you once and I told you twice. I'ma tell you again so you get it right. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. 60BaeGrey ain't going nowhere. Got the sexy drip for y'all to stare. All y'all say 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey. Cause 60BaeGrey got the real drip and the sexy lay. All the ladies say 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey, 60BaeGrey. Step back, dropping this heat, no cap, no cap. Step back, dropping this heat, no cap.
Welcome to our music family.
60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood. Ripping this mic, what? No fun. 60BaeGrey, you know I'm right here. Got the real drip, got a stack right there. 60BaeGrey coming out of the hood. Ripping this mic, what? No fun.